Right in. Hi, welcome back to my RV cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notifications on videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today, my version of white sauce pizza. So if you'd like to see how to make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. You'll find ingredients and directions down below how to make this super easy white bread pizza. The ingredients are mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese. The mayonnaise and the Parmesan cheese needs to be equal amounts. So 1 cup of mayonnaise to 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Italian seasoning to taste and garlic. For my toppings, I got basil and my olive oil that I made. And for the crust, it's going to be a hot day, so I cut out the middleman. I'm just using pita bread that I bought at the store. And you'll need your air fryer. You can also use an oven for this. Let's get assembling. We're just going to need a bowl. We're going to add I'm going to add the cheese first. So I have 2 half cups. That makes a cup of cheese. I'm going to add my mayonnaise. You can do a half a cup to a half a cup, 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup, as much or least as possible. I'm going to press my garlic in. It depends how much garlic you like. If you don't have Italian seasoning, any kind of seasoning you like. I have done it with everything bagel and that was really good. I have done it with Tuscan seasoning and it's really been good. So any seasoning you like works. And we're just going to sprinkle some in. Then we're going to try this to see what it tastes like. See if we need to add more or less. Just give it a good mix. This is also good on bread. We have made this on baguettes and served it as appetizers. Usually it's gone really quick. Give it a taste. Perfect for me. I probably put about 2 tablespoons in. Make it right directly on my cookie sheet. You're going to wait till your pita bread is almost done with the white sauce. Then you'll brush your olive oil around the edges. If you do it too soon, it will burn. Okay, we're just going to wipe a little bit on. You can also add other toppings to it. Sun-dried tomatoes is good. Regular cheese, if you want to sprinkle that on the top, you can do that. It really is a simple spread that you can do a lot of things with. I have put pesto on it before. Don't put too much on because it's very strong. This is one of those cases, less is more. Just want to cover up any little holes. They're done. On for me. I'm going to go to pizza, so I'm going to go to my menu. Everybody's air fryer is different. Once it's finished heating up, I'll add my pizza to it. Okay, it's heated up. I'm going to add my pizza to it. Till it's golden brown. Our pizza is about golden brown. I'm going to take it out and add my olive oil to it. If you'd like to see how I make my garlic infused olive oil, I'll leave a link at the end of the video so you can watch my last video how I made it. It's super easy to do. We're just going to put it back in to brown up. We're going to check our pizza, see if it's done. It's perfectly brown for me. My super easy white sauce pizza is done. If you want a crispier crust, I will put it on a rack or something, or a pizza stone. I don't have one, so I just used what I had. And finally, the taste test. So easy to make. You can make it in advance. You can have it for lunch, dinner, whatever. It's a great recipe to have. Gotta have another bite. It really is that good. Will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching Tiny RV Cooking. I enjoy having you here. I cook in a 22-foot camper. I love her to death. Please leave a comment down below. What would you like to see me make in my Tiny RV Cooking? And don't forget, please like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for notification. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. I'll see you next time in my Tiny RV Cooking. Bye-bye.